Hey kids, today we're making our very own safari zoo park. Okay, let's add an aquarium and a fence at the front of the zoo. Oh, who have we got here? It's a hippopotamus. Our next animal is here. It's a tiger. Tigers have black stripes on their body, which helps camouflage them when they are out and about. Oh, we've got a clownfish for the aquarium. Clownfish are bright orange fish that swim in the ocean. We've got a hippopotamus, and I think they're a little bit thirsty. Let's pop them back here. It's a tiger shark. Let's pop them in the aquarium. Be careful, clownfish. It's a wolf. Did you know wolves can travel up to 60 kilometers per hour? That's fast. Oh, we've got a gorilla, and I think the gorilla likes the tree. Let's pop him over here. It's an elephant, and it has two white tusks on the front. Oh, who's up the back here? Let's see who it is. It's a lion. Roar! We've got a friend for the gorilla. It's a chimpanzee. Oh, and the chimpanzee likes the tree as well. Hey, buddy. It's a white tiger. White tigers have blue eyes and love swimming in water. Let's get some trees out for the next animal. It's a giraffe. I think they're looking for food. Oh, they found the tree. Giraffes love to eat leaves off trees. And a baby giraffe. It looks like they want to eat some leaves as well. We've got another animal for the aquarium. It's a penguin. Splash! Penguins love swimming in the water and live in the ocean. Oh, we've got a zebra. Let's pop them in here next to the elephant. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, we've got another animal for the aquarium. It's a starfish. Starfish are very good at crawling. Let's pop them in the aquarium. Wow, that's a fast animal. It's an emu. Emus can run up to 50 kilometers per hour. An alligator. Did you know alligators can walk backwards by lifting their tail and tummy? Let's pop a tree out for the next animal. It's a koala. Koalas love climbing trees. Let's pop them on the tree. It's a monkey. I think the monkey wants to get to the big tree at the back. Let's pop them under the tree. It's an otter. Otters love to swim in water. They are found in the ocean and in rivers. Nice dive, buddy. It's a rhinoceros. Oh, and I think it's a bit thirsty. Okay, let's pop them over here. Oh, what's this? It's a snake. Did you know snakes use their tongue to smell? Wow! Hey kids, today we're making our very own safari animal park. Okay, let's add some trees, some sand, some shrubs, a lake for the animals, with some sand around the edge. Wow, this looks great. Who have we got coming in? Ooh, it's a tiger. Tigers can climb using their front and back paws. Let's climb the rock, tiger. Wow, what a view. Oh, we've got a new arrival. Who's in the back? It's a mummy panda and a baby panda. Let's put the pandas up the stone stairs and across the sand onto the rock. A baby panda is also known as a cub. Who's in the back of the trailer? It's a lion. Ooh, I reckon this lion would like to be high so they can see over the land. Roar! Nice spot, buddy. Who's in the back of the truck? Oh, there's two animals. It's a koala and a baby koala. Koalas love climbing trees and eating eucalyptus leaves. Let's pop them on the stone stairway. Who's in the back of the truck? It's a camel. Camels are found in deserts through North Africa and the Middle East. What bird is flying through? It's a lorikeet. I love their colours. Who's in the back of the trailer? It's an oryx. Oryx have two long horns on the top of their head. This helps protect them from predators. Who's coming now? Ooh, it's a baby tiger, and I bet they're looking for their mum. Okay, let's pop them next to their mum. Who's in the back of the truck? It's a pink flamingo. Did you know that flamingos eat with their head upside down? Wow! Who's coming in now? Oh, they look familiar. It's an elephant. Elephants have a big long trunk on the front of their face to eat and drink with. Who's coming in now? It's a reindeer. Did you know that reindeer can swim? They use their hooves like flippers to move through the water. Wow! What animal have we got here? It's a yellow duck. It's 3 yellow ducks. Okay, let's let them dive into the water. Splash! Okay, the next one. Splash! Ducks can live on land and in water. What animal is this? It's a cheetah. Cheetah have spots on their body which help camouflage them when they're out in the wild. Who's riding on front? It's an African leopard. African leopards are found in Africa and don't mind swimming. Who's in the back? Oh, there's some water. It's a fish. Ah, nice dive. Who's in the back of the truck? It's a serval. Did you know that servals can jump up to 4 meters horizontally and 4 meters vertically? Who's in the back of the truck? It's a gazelle. Gazelles can run fast from 50 to 100 kilometers an hour. Who's this flying in? It's a cockatoo. Hi! Who's in the back of the truck? It's a giraffe. Did you know that giraffes can't bend their neck forwards? Wow! Who's in the back of the truck? It's a mummy zebra and a baby zebra. Okay, let's pop them up here next to the reindeer so they can be together. Who's in the back of the truck? It's a gorilla. Did you know gorillas can weigh over 200 kilograms? Who's in the back of the truck? It's a brown bear. Did you know that after winter, brown bears can eat up to 40 kilograms of food a day? It's a ring-tailed lemur. Ring-tailed lemurs use their tail to make sure they don't lose anyone in their group. Whoops! There you go, buddy. Who's this? It's an antelope. This antelope has 2 horns on its head. Who's this flying in? It's a kingfisher bird and an alligator. Hi, buddy. And a baby reindeer. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!